I'm a teacher, not rich, not overpaid, and this year I'm investing $1,000 every month and I'm showing you exactly how I'm going to do it. This isn't about having extra money, it's about building wealth one month at a time. For the month of January, I started investing with $1,000. Overall, I invested $983.83 with $19 left over, set aside for future investing. I'm starting with simple, lower risk investments so beginners can see a realistic place to start. Here's what I'm investing in so far. SCHD. This pays regular income, like a bonus check for holding it. SCHB. This owns a little bit of almost every U.S. company. It's built for growth. DGRO. This focuses on companies that raise their payouts over time. My goal is $500 every 2 weeks. Some months will be easy, some won't. Teacher life happens. Quick disclaimer though, this is never financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I'm doing. As I get more comfortable, I may show you some riskier strategies like options, but I'm starting simple on purpose. You don't need to invest $1,000 a month to follow along. If you can invest $25 or $50, you're already building. If you're a teacher and tired of just getting by, watch me invest, learn with me, and build with me. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to follow the journey.